Features. Here are the distinguishable features of centipedes that can help in their identification. Body segmentation. Long, flattened, segmented body with one pair of legs per segment. Number of legs. Typically have 15 to 177 pairs of legs, depending on the species. Antennae. Long, slender, and multi-segmented antennae. Head structure. Distinct head with a pair of large mandibles. Forcipools. Modified front legs act as venomous fangs used to capture prey. Eyes. Some species have compound eyes, while others have simple eyes or are blind. Movement. Fast-moving and highly agile predators. Exoskeleton. Covered with a flexible, chitinous exoskeleton. Habitat preference. Prefer moist, dark environments such as under rocks, logs, or soil. Diet. Carnivorous, feeding on insects and small invertebrates. Coloration. Usually brown, reddish, or yellowish, sometimes with patterns or stripes. Behavior. Nocturnal and generally avoid light. These characteristics make centipedes easily distinguishable from other arthropods like millipedes.